Hello, instructional designers of Second Core Consultants. My name is Sarah Kirkland, and today I will be showing you how to create an infographic on Venngage.com, like the one shown on the left-hand side of my screen. Infographics are striking, engaging visuals to communicate information quickly and clearly. The best part is you don't need to be a designer to make your own. I have a few simple steps for creating a visually appealing infographic. For this assignment, you will select a topic to create an infographic on. I will show you an example of an infographic I have created, as well as elements that need to be included in your infographic. First, please go to www.venngage.com. That's Vennngage. Next, click on the Sign Up for Free button on the top right-hand corner. Enter your name, work email, and password. I'm going to sign into my account. For this assignment, we will only use the option titled My Designs under the heading Personal on the left-hand side of the page. Next, please click New Design. You can browse through the templates located under Infographics on the left-hand side of the screen. When you hover over a template, you will need to select the green Create button to begin designing that template. You may also select Preview if you'd like to see what each template is like before creating. It's important to choose the right design template. Pick your template based on its structure, not the style. Structure is harder to change. Style, like colors or font, are easier to adapt. So if you want to create a list, choose a list infographic template. Keep in mind that your infographic doesn't need to look like mine. For my infographic, I listed the 6 steps for enabling BitLocker. Let's go ahead and choose this first template to create. Next, outline the goals of your infographic. Your infographic should address and solve one of your audience's burning problems. For example, encryption of your computer's hard drive. Using BitLocker when creating your infographic, make sure the goal of the infographic is in bold letters and located near the top of the page. Your infographic should also contain an overall title, for example, Second Core Employee Cybersecurity Awareness. Next, collect data for your infographic. Please make sure you are collecting your data from internal Second Core documents. This ensures authenticity and that the content is factual. Next, visualize the data. Choose the best chart or image for your purpose. If you want to inform, use a donut chart or pictograph. If you want to compare, try a bar, pie, or stacked column chart. If you want to show change, use a timeline or line chart. Use the drop-down next to charts to look through each type. Finally, add style to your infographic design. Experiment using different fonts, icons, and colors. Try using more unusual fonts for the headers. Use icons and bulleted lists, and always make sure everything is aligned. Use the drop-down next to text to look at all the different options they have for text. There's an icons button where you can look up different types of icons that might suit the need for your infographic, such as technology. You may also change the color of the background by dropping down the menu next to background. You may also upload images and search for other kinds of photos. Now it's your turn to start creating an infographic on Venngage.